In Adobe Premiere Elements 2020, there's a fun effect called freeze frame, which is helpful for pointing out an object in videos and emphasizing it, usually with effects that are added in Adobe Photoshop Elements 2020. So we have this clip here. It's a gentle little clip of a helicopter flying across the screen, but the helicopter is rather small in comparison to the larger frame. So to fix this, we're going to back up the footage about right there, and we're going to go to Tools, and we're going to select Freeze Frame from the drop-down menu. We're going to check this box, Edit in Photoshop Elements after inserting, and we're going to hit Insert in Movie. Now we're in Adobe Photoshop Elements 2020, and we're going to bring it over here, find a nice effect that gives us a little more to the picture. We're going to look through a couple of these here, kind of get the general idea of what we want. Ooh. Now that we've created an intriguing freeze frame for our video that looks a lot like a helicopter frozen in a block of ice, we're going to jump back over to our other program and see that the freeze frame is inserted directly in the middle of our video clip. And now when we play it, it looks like so. We can also, from this point, select the center clip and time stretch it to how we want it based on the overall video length. Now we've left it in the center. It has that unique look to it, and it comes through on the other side.